Hi everyone. So today we are going to do the 3 times multiplication tables. I think you're going to find this one quite easy. I think you're probably going to know all of it or a lot of it already, but we're still going to go through it. So we're going to go through it using the counting stick, and as always, please do call out the answers with me, because otherwise I just look like a kind of a crazy person standing in my house talking to myself. And I already feel a little bit like that because my dog Roscoe, you can't see him, but he's sitting there looking at me already like I'm a bit weird. So please help me out by calling out the answers as we go along. Okay? Right, let's get started. So, our first one. We're talking about 3 times multiplication. What is 1 3? Well, couldn't be easier than that. What's 1 3? Remember what I said about leaving me looking like a crazy person? Let's try that again. What's 1 3? Yeah, it's 3. 1 3 is 3. Couldn't be really any easier than that. And I always like to start with my number 1 and my number 10, because the 10 is really easy as well. I'm going to get my 3 and I'm going to move it from the units over into my tens place, and then I have to put what in my units place as a placeholder? A 0, isn't that right? So it's 3 0. So I've 1 3 is 3, 10 3s are 30. Easy enough. 1 times 3 is? 10 times 3 is? Now, let's see how can we fill in something else now based on what we know. Well, what's half of this? Because we're quite good at doing our doubles and our halves. Half of 30 is 15. That's right. And where does it go? Well, this was 10 threes. So what's half of 10? Yeah, easy one. It's 5, isn't it? 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know 1 3 is 3, 10 3s are 30, 5 3s are 15. Now let's work on our doubles, okay? So double 3 for me. Come on, I'm not here to do the work, you are. What's double 3? Yeah, it's 6. So 2 3s are 6. Now double that one for me. You know this one. 6 plus 6, double that. Yeah, that's right. It's 12. And you tell me again, where does it go? Does it go here? Does it go here? Well, 2 of them was 6, and we doubled it. So what's double 2? It's 4. So I need to put it in my 4th place, don't I? So let's have a look again. 1 times 3, 10 times 3, 5 times 3, 2 times 3, 4 times 3. Okay, I bet you we can double this one again, because it just has a 1 and a 2 here. They're very easy to double. Double my 110, 20. Double my 2 units, 4. So I'm left with 24. Now, you tell me where this goes. Which one is this? It's not 1 3, it's not 2 3s, it's not 4 3s, it's not 5 3s. How many 3s is it? Let's think. We doubled this. 1 2 3 4. So this is 4 3s. Double to get 24. So double 4 is 8. So we're going here, aren't we? 24 is actually a very interesting number because it is made up of loads of different numbers. It is 124. It's 2 12s. It's 3 8s. It's 4 6s. It's 6 4s. It's 8 3s. It's 12 2s. It's 24 1s. It has lots and lots of different factors. So we have 1 times 3 is, come on, say it with me, 2 times 3, 4 times 3, 5 times 3, 8 times 3, 10 times 3. Great. Now, we always say, what's the harder one to do? Just the harder one to remember for a weird reason. It's our 7. So what is 7 3s? Well, we know what 8 3s are, 24. So we take away 1 3 to get 7 3s. So 24 take away 3 is 21. And remember, this is just the one that you have to remember. Okay, you remember that? It's gone, it's back. Where is it? Yep, 7 3s are 21. There we go. Now, we nearly have it all filled in. You can always remember from this, I always say that 3 is the what? Yeah, 3 is the key. So, 3 3s. Well, 3 plus 3 was 6, and another 3 is going to be 9. And once I know this, I can fill in the rest. It's the key to the rest. So, I've got 3 9s. Sorry, I don't. I have 3 3s that make 9. So if I double that, if I double my 3 3s, then I'll have my 6 threes, won't I? So what's double 3 threes? What's double 9? 9 plus 9? Easy one, because 10 plus 10 is 20. So 9 plus 9 is 18. And then 3 is the key. So my 3 threes were 9. Doubled it to get my 6 threes were 18. And I'm going to triple it to tell me that my 9 threes are. And if you're having trouble tripling it, you could just say, well, what's this plus 3? 24 plus 3. Or what's 30 take away 3? It's 27. Excellent. Okay, so you're going to count with me. 3, 6, 9. I'm not going to do it anymore, it's up to you. Okay, very good. Now, let's see. We can get rid of this because you know that one. 3 ones, 3. Simple. You know your 3 tens, 30. Simple. Half of that, 15. Simple. Let's try again. 3 ones, 3 tens. Half of that to make 3 fives. Okay, you know your doubles. This is senior infant stuff. 2 threes. Simple. Double that again to make 4 threes. Simple. Double that again to make 8 threes. Simple. So let's see again. 1 3 was, and 10 of them, and 5 of them. 3 plus 3, 2 threes. 2 threes, and double that to get 4 threes. What was double this? And double this to get 8 threes. Very good. Now, this was my key. 3 threes. 3, 3, and 3. Double that. My 3 threes. Double it to get 6 threes. Yeah, you know this one. Triple this. Or we could just say, what was 10 threes? Take away 1 3. 10 threes take away 1 3. And last one. What was my hard one that you had to remember? Okay, now, I hope you've got it. Count with me. 1 3. 2 threes. 3 threes. 4 threes. 5 threes. 6 threes. 7 threes. 8 threes. 9 threes. 10 threes. Okay, that was kind of easy. Let's mix them up again. 1 3. Come on, shout it out. 1 3 is 10 threes shifted up and add a placeholder 0. 5 threes, half this one. What was this one? Half it to get 5 threes. Back to 1 3. What's double it to get 2 threes? 2 threes, tell me. What's double that to get 4 threes? What's double that to get 8 threes? What was our really hard 7 threes that you had to remember? What was our 9 threes? It was this one, take away 3. So what was 9 threes? Let's put them all back. So we had 1 3 was 3. Double it to get 6. 3 is the key, it's 9. Get this 6, 2 threes and double it to get 4 threes are 12. 10 threes were 30, so if I have that I would get 5 threes, which are 15. 3 was the key. 3 threes were 9. So double that to get 6 threes are, what's double 9? 18. Now, our difficult one, our 7 times, always the one we just have to remember. 21. Now, 8 threes. So I had my 2 threes made 6. Double that to get 4 threes to get 12. Double that to get 8 threes, 24. And 24 is my favourite number because it has so many different factors. Now, 9 threes. Do this one for me. Well, we could say that 3 is the key here, okay, and that we're going to triple it. Or we could just say, what's this one on the end? And you know what this one is without me having it there. Minus 3. 9 3s are 27. And our very last one, 10 3s, almost as simple as 1 3s. It's 3 shifted into my 10 spot with my 0 placeholder. Okay, I'd say if you did a good job with the empty stick and you were able to name them all, you'll have no problem doing the different tables jobs this week.